Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here with entry number 16. I can't believe it. Y'all have honored me and blessed me so much. I'm just beside myself. I cannot thank you of all the support and all the friendship and all the entries. I'm speechless. I was not sure I was going to make it to 15, and now we've done hit over 15. So thank y'all so much. Y'all bless me more than words could ever say. Now this entry comes from Miss Joe, and I'm going to apologize now if I butcher your last name. Last names are the hardest. We just never know if we're pronouncing them right. But I believe it's Joe Vasquez. And again, I apologize if I mispronounce that. And I'm going to dive in. Here's the thing. I'm going to speak the truth. I did take a sneak peek. And it's because we all know the post office is just a little too rough with our packages. And the side of this one was kind of mangled in. And I wanted to make sure that the overall was intact. I did not get into detail. I saw a roundabout, but I do not know the details of this package. So with that being said, let's dig in because I'm definitely intrigued. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh. Now this is definitely unique. I am, wow. What the, oh, there's feet, and I'm sorry. I see, if I would have caught that, I didn't lift it up when I took a sneak peek. I just kind of went and then shut it back. Looked like everything was intact, but unfortunately when the feet came off, and it looks like there's another one about to. But I can so fix that, honey, and I am going to E6000 it, and it will not come off again. But first of all, I love those feet. I love this box, and I love those feet. Did you make this box, or did you embellish it, or is this just something you found? Oh, there's some goodies underneath, too. Oh, my goodness. I'm sorry about that. I tried to check and make sure I didn't think about looking underneath. Let me see if I can set this under here. There we go. Oh my gosh, what an awesome cubby. This is going to look so good in my craft room. Oh my goodness. I'm going to set these aside just a little bit because I want to just take in. And it looks like this came out. And it looks like she has given me some... Wow, some amazing, look at this. Let me put this back together. See, the post office frustrates me so much. I love them, but they just frustrate me. But look, how stinking awesome is this? Oh my gosh, you were so freaking clever. And let me see. Do you see even just the tiniest little detail right there? Oh, and there's another test. Oh, maybe she had them scattered out. Maybe that's what it was. Either way, it doesn't matter. This thing is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm going to love using this. All right, we're going to pop these off. And I'm going to go through. Oh my. I'm sorry, y'all. I was never in a million years. Where are you from? You're from Florida, and you are sending me some Alabama stuff. Oh, I'm going to cry. My husband is going to love you. I'm showing this as soon as he gets home from taking our daughter. Oh, my gosh. Y'all. I'm sorry. I'm giddy. Oh, no. Do you see inside those hearts? Holy moly. I'm speechless. Number one, I'd never think a Florida girl would ever send an Alabama girl some Alabama stuff. But hey, I'm game. I would do it for you. If you're like a major Gators fan, then, you know, if I had the stuff to do it, I'd do it for you. But do you see even all that's like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Sorry, y'all. I'm a huge, I've announced it 150 times, and look, that one's even stuck down. She did this specifically for my craft room and for me. Y'all, I know y'all all do that, and I really honestly appreciate it, but wow. Alabama, all the cutouts. Girl, I'm going to have some fun. I've got actually a birthday that I've got to go to Friday, a birthday party, and they are just as big Alabama fans. She's also a Mickey fan, and so I'm going to make her some Mickey Mouse stuff, but I'm going to make her some stuff out of this Alabama stuff. So thank you. This was just in the nick of time. I'm just beside myself. I'm sorry, y'all. I really do love Alabama. I love my home state, and I love all this. Okay, golds and pinks. Oh, no. I'm so sorry. Hold on. I'm going to pause you just a second. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I dropped that. I'm so giddy about the Alabama stuff that I have not even paid attention. She's got so much stuff in here. Okay, I'm going to try to go quick because I got a little carried away with Alabama. She's got the... it's falling on me. Give me my foot back. I promise I'm going to fix that, girl. The gold, gorgeous bling washi. Y'all, I've told y'all I don't have much washi, and I've got one gold bling. I mean, one little bit gold, and I mean, it's itty bitty strip. So, I love that. And I love the stars too. And then the tassel. And like I said, I don't have a lot of these tassels. What I do have, I've been gifted. So maybe 4 or 5. So I appreciate those so much. And look at all these gold sequins. And oh my gosh, all the gorgeous fall colors. And of course, these golds can be used for Christmas too. Actually, they can be used all year long. Awesome. Thank you so much for these. And look at these cutouts. I love these. I can use these so much. Oh, I'm so in love. Thank you, honey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm sorry I can't get over this box. Okay, and then we got Pray. Oh, I love that. Pink and gold. Another favorite of mine. And then purple. And like I've told y'all, this is the shade of purple I like. This and darker. Not the biggest fan of lavender, although I do use it. And more tassels. Oh my goodness. You have blessed me so much, honey. Oh, I'm beside myself. Okay. More cutouts. Pinks. I love them. Purples. Oh, and the silver blings. Oh, love them. And actually, I know that's a little bit of a lighter purple, but I love that. I love that. I love the gold stripes. I love stripes and I love polka dots. And looky there. My blue. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am more sequins. Y'all. And I just got my fuse tool. So I'm so blessed. I got more sequins that I can actually use it. And I can start making me some shakers. Y'all, I just want to cry. Y'all have blessed me. Each and every one of y'all have blessed me so much. And of course, you saw the Alabama stuff that I'm just crazy about. Okay, I'm going to set this aside just a little bit, but I want to keep it in frame. Actually, I want to keep it in frame where Alabama is right there front and center. Even though I love the rest of it as well. Those beautiful hearts. I'm so tickled I'm going to get to use this in my craft room. And I did it again. I apologize. Alright, we're going to go through this real quick. I'm going to read her card first. Holy moly, she did not. Okay, card. Hubby's waiting on me to get in there and cook dinner. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at all that sparkle and those beautiful flowers. Y'all, I've got to start making cards. Y'all just make me so jealous, and I'm like, Carmen, you can do this, but y'all intimidate me, y'all. Y'all, I just get intimidated. And all this gorgeous bling. Sending joyful hello. How awesome is that? And she left it to where I could use it, but guess what? I won't. No, ma'am. I'm sorry. I just won't. Can you see that? You can't see that. This one I will hoard. You want to send me more? I might pass those on, but I want the first one always to hold in special memory. She says, Dear Carmen, thank you so very much for the invitation to participate in your challenge. Hope you like what I made you. Like? Oh, no, ma'am. Oh, I'm so in love. Even my husband's going to be impressed, and he's not impressed with a lot of crafts. I hope and pray that you have a blessed birthday and can enjoy all the goodies everybody has sent you. All my love, Joe, from Uniquely Created. That's what I thought. Honey, you and everyone else has already made my birthday, and it's not even here yet. Okay, let's look at these gorgeous things right here, because I can tell she's made me some cupcake rosettes. And y'all know I'm intimidated by rosettes. I've made a few cupcake ones, but these colors are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Girl, you have went way beyond what you have needed to. Do y'all see that? Polka dots and stripes. Oh my goodness. And I love these colors. Love them. And so many other people love them, so I can use them, especially with my two daughters. Thank you so much, honey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just don't even know what to say. And she's got a little doily with a little clip there. Oops, and I'm fixing to drop those out. Y'all, my desk, I've got to get my bigger desk back in here so that I've got more room. Okay. Oh, wow. These are gorgeous. This is actually fabric, y'all. And then she's got some glitter paper, like doily die cut, and then the rosette flower die cut. And she's put them on a doily. How gorgeous are those? With a pearl center. Oh my goodness. Oh honey, they are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not trying to go too fast, but I know I'm starting to do some running out of time. And I'm saving that Memorydex for last for a reason, because, you know why. It's Alabama. I got to take a good gander at that one. Oh my goodness, look. I have not seen anybody do that before. That is beautiful. That is definitely, well, uniquely created. That is gorgeous. And then look at these. My goodness. You are so talented. I'm beside myself right now. Y'all have all blessed me so much. Okay. We got to fold these back out. But do y'all see that? It's got a glitter background. She's got the bling all over the place. The gorgeous, is this vellum? Is that what you call this paper? Because I'm still learning. Remember that. Oh my gosh. And then my Alabama. She has, oh my gosh, she has paid attention to me. Oh, I'm so in love. I don't even know what to say. And then look at the back, y'all. Look at that beautiful vellum paper. Oh my gosh. All right, let me read a little bit of something about Miss Jo. She is Miss Jo. She is November the 20th. That is when, actually, my niece is November the 20th, but my anniversary is the 21st, and my birthday is the 17th. You're right there with us, girl. So happy early birthday. Her YouTube channel is Uniquely Created. I'm a little nervous about... Oh, okay. I had to look at it twice. Her IG is Joe Uniquely Created. And her favorite color is blue, just like me. Her favorite style is vintage lace and farmhouse. And anything for embellishing. Flowers, gems, flowers, etc. Girl, we have a lot in common. I'm speechless. I can't thank you enough. And I cannot wait to display this in my craft room. And maybe one day, if I ever get my walls painted and get my furniture painted, I can set it all up and get down to business and look at all these jumbo clips. I love this pink and white one. I don't have anything like that. Thank you so much for this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know I'm running a little long. I apologize for that. Hubby's waiting on dinner, so I better go. Thank y'all. I've got another package to do, but that may be uploaded in the morning. I don't know. We'll have to see. Thank you always, and I wish you the best. And Joe, thank you so much. Know that her link will be in the channel. You see how talented she is. If you have not checked her out, please go do so. And as always, I wish you absolutely, from the bottom of my heart, the best.